New case study for class 10 related to the chapter height and distance. We know that during vacation period many people love to go out of the city and gain some experience about historical and scientific values. Keeping in views, Mr. Ramlal decided to go somewhere out of the country and chosen a country USA. In the series of sightseeing, he has first chosen the place Sky Tower of Mexico City. Then he decided to stand on a building and wanted to see the Sky Tower. Mr. Ramlal, whose height is 2.3 meter, stood on a top of building and started to look at the top of the Sky Tower. The horizontal distance between Sky Tower and the building is 120 meters, as shown in the given figure. The angle of elevation of the top and the angle of depression of the bottom of the Sky Tower is 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Looking into the above circumstances, try to give the answer of the following question. Okay. Now this is the figure. Figure is given. Here is a building. Here is a building and 2.3 meter long Ramlal. Angle of elevation 60 degree of the top of the Sky Tower and 30 degree angle of depression of the bottom of the tower. The distance between Ramlal and Sky Tower is 120 meter. Now give the answer. What is the height of building excluding the height of Mr. Ramlal standing on it? What is the height of the building? Okay. This is the figure. H is the height of building including Ramlal. And the distance between 120 meter and capital H is the height of the Sky Tower. Angle of elevation 60 degree and depression is 30 degree. The distance between Ramlal and tower is 120 meter. Therefore, this distance is also equal to 120 meter. Suppose this is the AB. AB is the height of the building including Ramlal and CD is the height of the tower and this point is E. Okay. Now the angle 30 degree, angle of depression is 30 degree. Therefore, the alternate angle, this one is also 30 degree. Okay. Now the first question is height of the building excluding the Ramlal. Therefore, the total height H perpendicular by base. We know that perpendicular by base is 10 angle. 10 30 degree. H equal to 120 into 10 30. 10 30 degree means 1 by root 3. Now rationalize root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 means 3 cut 40 root 3. And now you can solve 40 root 3. Put the value of root 3 is 1.73. Okay. The 40 into root 3 is 1.732. And multiply 40 into 1.732 is 69.28. This is the height of the building including Ramlal. It means height of the building equal to 69.28 minus 2.30. Therefore, 66.98 meter. This is the height of the building excluding Ramlal. Which option is right? 66.98. Okay. Next, find the height of the building including height of Ramlal. Okay. The including Ramlal, height of the building H is 40 root 3 including Ramlal. Therefore, the which option is right? 40 root 3. And the second, height of the building including height of Ramlal is 40 root 3. Next, what is the length of the line of sight of Mr. Ramlal to the base of Sky Tower? Length of sight of the Ramlal base of the tower means this is this length. This is the hypotenuse of this triangle. The length of BC you can find by using Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. Otherwise, cos 30 degree equal to base by hypotenuse. Anyway, okay, so I am finding by using Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. AB is the 40 root 3. We know the height of the building including Ramlal 40 root 3 square and AC is 120 whole square equal to BC square. Okay. BC square equal to 40 root 3 square means 1600 into 3. Root 3 square is 3, 40 square 16 root 3 and 12 square is 144 and again 2 zeros. 4800 plus 14,400, it means 19200. Now BC equal to under root 19200, 19,200. It will come approx 138.56 meter. 138.56 meter. Which one is nearest to the 138.56? It means 140 meter. Next, find the distance from the eye of the Ramlal to the top of the sky tower along the line of the site. It means find this one line. Okay. This is also an hypotenuse of this triangle. Okay. In triangle BED, cos 60 degree equal to base by hypotenuse BE by BD. Okay. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and BE equal to 120 by BD. It means line of sight 240 meter. And this line equal to the 240 meter. This is the 240 meter. And the last, find the height of the sky tower. It means total height of the tower, sky tower. Okay. In triangle BED, okay, tan 60 degree equal to DE upon BE. Tan 60 degree equal to DE upon BE. Tan 60 is root 3. DE we have to find and BE equal to 120. DE equal to 120 root 3. So this portion is equal to the 120 root 3 and this portion is 40 root 3. Height of the building including this. Now adding these two, 120 root 3 plus 40 root 3 is 40 root 3. It means 160 root 3. The total height of the sky tower is 160 root 3. Thank you. Right option is 160 root 3. Okay. This is the case study related to the chapter height and distance.